Animating the camera can be easily done with the Modify Viewport tool from Human. In the simplest version, the camera target stays fixed on a location while the camera location moves along a curve, animated by a slider and evaluate curve component. In this case, that will be a curve that ends at the camera position of the named view and a point at the target. For a smooth acceleration and deceleration, use a graph mapper with a Bezier in an S-curve to modulate the slider output. For safety, input the name of the viewport that you want the animation to control, and add a Z vector for the up input. The animation can be exported using the Animate slider function and Photoshop's image sequence option, as described previously. Remember to turn off all construction geometry and unwanted graphics before beginning the animation. Hide all of the grasshopper components that are not part of the final output, and make sure the selection gimbal is not previewing But this is only the beginning. Experiment with different camera or object movement.